Hey, good morning. Welcome to AJ Hacker Bungee. Here we are having a quick tour around the bungee site, and now we're going to retrace your steps up to the top of the Tower of Power. That's right. Here we go, crazy man getting ready to fly. Oh yeah. 50 metres or 164 feet of pure adrenaline heading your way. That's right. Nice and close to the juice. Beautiful jump, mate. There you go. Check it out, bouncing around like a kangaroo on Viagra. Yeah. You did well, mate. That's right. You just proved you got more balls than a bowling alley. Alrighty, here we go. Coming in towards the crafty rafty now. Here we go, touchdown time. Awesome stuff.